Got this last play here that I wanted to take a look at. Um, I would have made a video on this, but honestly, with the last few plays that I've been making videos on, and they went a little sour on us. It kind of depleted my confidence a little bit. And if you make a wrong play, it definitely bashes on your ego a little bit, and puts you back in check. So that being said, I had this idea here, but I didn't want to throw it out because I was like, oh, what if I'm wrong, and blah 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 blah. And I ended up being correct. So you guys could have been in on it. I don't know if you guys are in or interested, but hit the like button and comment down below if you did happen to get in on this. But I was noticing on this, there isn't much price action, but this is Cleaver Leaves. It's a cannabis company. From what I'm hearing, is they've been around for a long time. I believe this is a SPAC, from what I was told. So keep that in mind. But it's a company that actually has a very good revenue, very good growth, and it is supposedly talking about, whether it did or not, getting involved with CGC, Canopy Growth, and they have some kind of deal. I don't know if it's pending or if it's legit or what, but needless to say, this was a big ascending triangle, I believe it is, um, that broke to the upside here. We caught support exactly where I expected, which I drew some trend lines off of here and figured some shit out. And I had an 865 target here, and we hit around 863, so it was pretty damn close. I bought a shit ton there, and right before this run up, I bought a shit ton here. I ended up with an average of 899, and we blasted off here in a day. Now, as you see this green box here, um, basing this off of the was it the daily? I believe it was the daily. Oh, I don't even know where I got this from. So I guess we should move this to here, potentially, right? Okay. So where are we at? So pre-market, we're at 1060. This here was old resistance, okay, at this exactly 1041 level. So we had massive volume come in, obviously, and this is the area to hold. Now it still looks like it has room to go up further. Personally, we could come up to this 1142 level, and I have a breakout target, believe it or not, up to 1551 from this move, which actually might be higher because we broke out sooner than I expected. So 1575. That's my measured move out of this thing. Now, as of right now, on the 4 hourly, there is some bearish divergence in here. According to this chart here, 1050, we're down here, and we're higher over here on the right. So that is some bearish divergence. So, I'm really curious to see, looking at the hourly here, it looks like we're flagging out. And, on the hourly, depending on if this holds or not, it is 100% holding support at this 1041 level. So this could be a play here to make, because if we actually get, we would still want to see further action on the 4 hourly here. We want to see an open here above 1040, and we'd want to see us. But to me, it's not a bad idea to see if you can get it around 1042, something like that. 1042 is really the level to hold, but it's been consolidating here all day long yesterday once it pumped out. That's fucking huge. So as long as we can maintain above this level and then make another blast up to the next level, and then hopefully find support there and consolidate, reset the RSI, and your next level would probably be up in this. And to me, this is still bullish as fuck. We have this golden cross coming in here on the hourly. We have this flag, obviously, this bull pennant or whatever you want to call it. If this is a bull pennant, your measured move would be this. So let's see where that lands up to be. So this actually comes to 12.19, but then we would expect that it would come back down to the 11.40 level. So if you want to do a breakout trade, you could sell it at that point and then re-enter again if it holds support here or not. That would be your next potential area, right? From here to here would be your next box. So if we do blast up in here and we might come to the top of this, then come back down and flag out again, reset the RSI, maybe make a bigger flag, and then blast up even higher, stuff like that. This is still at the beginning of times as long as it holds this area. Like this is an excellent, excellent long position personally if it holds this level. It's the safest long you can do. So what you would do is you would enter somewhere in this 1042, 1050 level, wherever you want to grab it really. I wouldn't grab it in like 11 personally, but I would wait and see what happens on the way down after. 1054, 1050, 1042. And then you would just want to put your stop loss somewhere down in this 1030, 1036 range, really. And if it falls below that, I mean, you're going to fail. It's going to be a failed support. I mean, as you see here, we've support here, and then obviously it looked like a flag of some sort, and we just had a breakdown and just fell down. So, we're kind of here again, but this momentum from this breakout brought us up to where we want to be. Now we're flagging out again. So it's curious. I'm curious to know if we're going to dump to blast up. And as of right now, the signs are pointing towards blasting up. But, like I said, there's a few warning signs in the 4-hour bearish divergence area that could keep us from holding this level. That's your move. So I just wanted to keep that in mind and let you guys know where I'm at with this. So if you hit the thumbs up and let me know if you guys are considering this play or not. But this could be good if you put your stop losses in the correct positions and you enter at some type of strong support. I mean, that's a position of strength right there if it's going to continue to hold this. So that's the video for the day, and I'm looking for a move today, honestly, out of here. So whether it goes up or down, I guess we'll find out. I just put my stop loss at break even personally, but I see this golden cross coming in here, and I think we're going to have a nice move out of here very soon. All right, guys.